Yeah, I'm Eric Shanks. I'm a technical marketing engineer from Portworx. And we've been using Instruqt for our hands-on labs for demos and for onboarding of customers. This week we've been talking a lot about Portworx Enterprise, our storage layer that goes inside Kubernetes. It gives high availability and disaster recovery for persistent storage for containers. And we've been talking about our Portworx backup solution, and we've been talking about Portworx data services, which is a way to manage databases in Kubernetes. Yeah, amazing workshop. We had lots of people that showed up. People were engaged, heads down in their keyboards, following along. We used Instruqt for all of that to make sure that it was going to run seamless for everybody. Yeah, a lot of it was just awareness. So customers were familiar with Portworx, but didn't really understand how Portworx works. So the hands-on workshops were a way for us to actually show a deeper level. Like, it's a little complicated to figure out exactly how you do storage inside of Kubernetes. And with Instruqt, we were able to just build these labs and show people step by step, how do you deploy Portworx, how's Portworx working with those Kubernetes clusters, how are some of our features work. We had a bunch of different types of personas that were in the workshop. We had developers, we had infrastructure people, we had operations people in there, and basically all of them just use Instruqt fairly intuitively, right? There's a set of instructions on one side and then command line on the other side, and you can copy the commands and paste the commands and see what happens. And there's instructions on what just happened in the labs as well, but of course we were standing up there as well talking through what was happening. Most of them were really engaged about like how Portworx is working. They're like, wow, this really like explained things to us. You know, getting hands-on experience is a lot easier than us telling you how things work. Right now, you've done it once yourself, so this isn't just a theoretical thing that they saw in a demo, right? That might have been a video. This is real life. You're doing it here. If something doesn't work, you're going to see what the problems are, right? So we're really looking forward to what's going to come at the beginning of next year.